start was tough, but I'm really encouraged by the way that we stepped up and played. I think playing the way that we played in the second and third set gives us a lot of confidence.
Our first game was a little slow start, but in the second two games we really picked up our energy and our aggressiveness, and our team chemistry was just a lot better, which helped us play more successfully.
For us, energy is a really big thing, so once they got their energy and really started focusing on doing everything in the moment, they picked it up, and I was really happy with the way that they stepped up and played.
Our first two matches of the conference season were really tough, but moving on, that energy will help us pull through in other games.
Being aggressive, we talk a lot about that. Serving aggressive and just being aggressive when we're in the front row hitting. When we're making a lot of errors is when we seem to have the struggles and lose more points in a row. And so the focus really is to be aggressive, but pretty consistent.
I think a lot of going on runs has to do with defense and passing, because we can't get a good set if we don't get a good pass, we can't get a good kill if we don't get a good set. So it kind of all starts with defense.
Well, we're going to have a tough schedule from here on out with the MIAC being competitive, but if we play the way that we play tonight in the second and third sets,